Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activities, index actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 8th May 2024. Nifty index opened positive but cascaded down to its 50 daily exponential moving average and witnessed a pullback move from its crucial level of 22,222. Bears were in full control for the entire session, after which it awakened the bulls near its key support zones. India VIX was up by 2.5% to 17 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.8. The Greed and Fear Index spiked to above 17.5 zones and created swings in the market with comfort to the bears. And this, along with a fall in the put-call ratio, indicates that upside may remain capped. Volatility has been increasing ahead of the election phases, which could cause a bumpy ride in the market for the time being. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 21,800 to 22,800 zones, while immediate range is in between 22,100 to 22,500. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,669 crores, while DIIs were net buyers worth 2,306 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 42%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggests Nifty has to hold a key support of 22,222 for the index to move towards 22,450, then 22,550 zones, whereas a hold below 22,222 could open the downside move towards 22,100 and then 22,000 zones. So, in short, 22,222 is a make or break level for Nifty to start the next leg of rally. Till Bank Nifty holds below 48,500, some weakness could be seen towards 48,000, then 47,777. While on the upside, hurdle is seen at 48,500, then 48,888 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in FMCG and IT stocks, while profit booking declined in most of the other sectors. Stocks to keep on radar are ITC and Godrej CP from the FMCG space, which has recently given a breakout from its consolidation zones. TCS, which is from the IT pack, which has now started to show strength and moving above its key exponential moving average. Wish you a great trading day ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.